Only me. Only me. Hey guys, welcome to and welcome back to my channel. My name is Shara Rochelle if you're new here, and welcome to another video. So if you guys could tell by the thumbnail, I will be refreshing my patio. My lovely husband has already cleared off the patio so I could start cleaning the patio furniture. I did order a couple of things, not too much, to assist with just the refreshing of a patio. It is technically the first day of summer, so we want to just enjoy our patio. I mean, Austin and Texas summers could be brutal, but we want to enjoy our patio. It's been so messy lately. I just haven't been wanting to deal with it, but now that I have time to deal with it for a couple more days since I was on vacation, I am definitely about to tackle this. So what I'm going to do first is I'm going to power wash like the outside, like the siding and stuff. I'm also try to sweep up like the little dust and stuff that they have already, that they have on the patio. He also bought the pressure washer out. I don't know how to hook it up, so I'll have to wait for him to get home to actually hook it up, but I could actually start sweeping and just knocking down like cobwebs. They have a few like old wasp nests. I'm not messing with the walls, but like old wasp nests that I could just try to scrape off until he gets home to assist me with the patio. So I'm going to show you the patio now. So this is how the patio looked. He actually cleared off the furniture. I did order some more covers for the the patio chairs and bench, but we're gonna see. I do have to clean off that table, and I am replacing the rug. So let me go get the broom. We have a broom out here, but I have like a shop broom too. Let me go get that broom, some rags to clean the tables and chairs with, and I'll be right back. All right, y'all, so Josh just sprayed, I guess, with a Wasp-B. But I do want to sweep before I just try to pressure wash some of the siding down. I do want to sweep it a little bit. I just don't want y'all to fall. It is a little windy out here. So he's spraying out with ants. When I went to go get the broom out the garage, he was pulling up. Oh shoot, he's trying to kill us out here.
Starting over there?
Huh?
You starting over there?
Yeah, I'm about to just sweep down the webs and stuff before I wash. All right, now I'm about to use the big broom just to sweep it off. Then we're gonna pressure wash it. It ain't gonna be pretty. All right, y'all, so let's find a shower cap, put on a bonnet. I was getting wet. And John, they got a rod. It's the button. It makes it longer.
As far as it goes.
That's not even close. Okay, guys, I need to go out a little. Alright, we're about to open the curtains. We have the rod up to the best of our ability. We're going to see how this works. Alright, y'all, the curtains are up. As you see, they're flying everywhere. Only me. Only me. Alright, y'all, the camera got too hot, so I'm blocking my phone. I'm about to put on open the new outdoor rug. I haven't set up with the curtains, so I'll order some curtain magnets. They'll come in tomorrow. Hopefully they come in tomorrow. This is the outdoor rug. This is how it looks. Step on it to flatten it out. So this is how the curtains look. I just tied them up on the side because they were flying over the fence. But once I get the magnets tomorrow, I'm gonna show you guys. I just tied them up so they won't fly away. Alright, y'all, so we pressure washed. We have like this. I'm gonna light up tomorrow once we get everything situated. The curtains, we're about to put the tension thingy right there. And all of this had like webs and stuff on it. It looks better. They still have like, there's like markings and stuff, but we pressure washed it. Our TV is still covered. My camera is still overheated. I gotta bring it inside. And yeah, it looked way better than what it did before. Honestly, it's not perfect, but it definitely will do. I already feel like it being more clean already.